Tired of manually typing dates, risking typos and inconsistent formats in your Google Sheets? Let's transform your data entry by adding a calendar picker. First, open your Google Sheet and navigate to the cell where you want to add the calendar picker. This is the cell where users will select their dates. Next, click on the Data menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. This will open the Data Validation Rules panel under the Criteria section. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Criteria. Click on this drop-down and choose Date. Now, the validation options will change to focus on dates. Ensure that is valid date is selected. This is the default and what we want. Finally, click the Save button at the bottom of the panel. And just like that, when you click on the cell, a small calendar icon will appear to the right. Click this icon, and a familiar calendar will pop up, allowing you to easily select your desired date. This will automatically populate the cell with the chosen date in a consistent format, making your spreadsheets much more user-friendly and error-free.